We was talking on the bearish effort is greater than the bearish result, and bearish effort is less than the bearish result. If greater effort is greater, it means volume is greater. Okay. If effort is less, it means the candle are same, but the volume is less. Then we expect the uptrend. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we go for the examples on the chart. Okay. Okay. So here now, do you find something wrong between two candles? As we know
Effort
that
is greater.
effort is not greater, brother. As compared to this candle, the candle must be stronger. This effort must be stronger. It means effort is less because this candle have a short volume. Okay, so that concept is still remaining. Okay, you will be confused. Now tell me, Nathan, you tell me, the inverted hammer have a less volume or greater volume as compared to previous candle? Just we compare the two candles. Anyone, any other tell me?
Less than.
It's very great, sir.
It's less
I'm
than the
going to
previous one.
I'm going to repeat again. This inverted hammer, the volume look like a volume is less than the previous candle. But I'm asking you people, the volume is less or greater? Less or greater?
Less.
Less. Okay. But I say the volume is greater, then who is right? When I say the volume is greater, then from us, one will be the wrong, one will be the right. We are comparing two candles body. So this body, if this body have 100% and this volume is 100%, so how much is this body of this body? How much percentage of this body can fall into this body?
20 to 30.
20. Okay.
20 or 30.
Okay. If I say 20%, then 20% volume, how much will be? Here,
Yeah,
this will
Yes,
be
on
sir.
that.
20%. This will be 20% of this candle, huh? But volume is greater from 20%. So can
Yes,
I
Yes,
sir.
yes.
say volume is greater?
Yes, sir.
Now understand?
Yeah, mathematically. Understand.
Now you can understand why? Because when we compare the two bodies, and if this body is 100%, so this body is a 20%. If we compare to volume, if this volume is 100%, this volume is 80% now. 80%, it means it's increasing. So we need 20% here as compared to the previous candle. So there is an anomaly. Okay. So these things we must understand in the volume. When I say in this candle, I say the volume is increasing by this candle, then you can understand what I do the formula, which formula I use. I use this body, because this is the 1/3 or 20% or 10% of this body. So I need volume this type of, but the volume is increasing. Okay. Inside the volume is increasing. But in the volume bar, when we match the volume bars shows that volume is like on this candle. We know in the VSA, if volume increase, then the next candle will goes up direction. That is the concept, that if volume increase, then the next candlestick will goes in up direction. It validates. But in this candle, it shows volume increasing. But it's look like that volume is decreasing from this candle. But this is a short candle. That's why it's look like short candle have a short volume. Small candle have a small volume. Big candle have a big volume. If we compare two candles, then we can understand. Okay. So you practice on it. So in this candle and
Sir,
this, yes,
Wicks also contain volume.
yes, on the wicks also trading. There is a trading, but we only taking the bodies. Okay.
Yes.
Here now if this candle have a, this type of volume, so this body, how much percentage of the previous candle?
10% or 5%.
Less than 10.
5%. This type of percent, okay, 5%. So the volume is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. That's why the red new candle is red candle. When we found the green candle here, do you have any idea when we found the green candle after this candle? When volume is,
It's higher than the previous one.
yes, the previous one, when the previous one with level is crossed, there is an anomaly. That's why we will take the green candle trade. Okay. So now the same concept appearing here. The volume increased by so much. Do you find the green candle? What is
Yes.
that? That is anomaly. What is that? That is anomaly. Okay. So you have to hard work on the VSA. Then you will be pro trader. Okay. So many traders don't know that where is the level of the pro trader. But you people know your destination is in front of you, but you need hard work to get this that destination. Okay. So VSA is the end of the study. The price action, you know, in the course, VSA is the end. After VSA, if you do not be a pro trader, it means the fault is you. Okay. So now the destination is in front of you. So day and night, I suggest you day and night practice on it. Okay. So is bullish effort is less than the bullish result? If we compare two candles, if the bullish effort is less than the bullish result, this small body candle have a strong volume and this greater candle have a little bit volume. It means the bullish effort is less than the bullish result. Okay. Okay. Can I say the bearish effort is greater than the bearish result? Look
No,
at the
sir.
volume. The bearish effort is greater. The bearish volume is greater than the bearish result. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
Then you will find the reversal. Okay, it means now you people getting the concepts. Okay, these are very tricky. Someone asked me that, sir, please provide us this book where you got these concepts. I told him, okay, that is a book, and but concepts are not clear. All there are just an introduction of VSA, but these concepts are not in that book. But you have to understand if then you can understand. After 2 days, he said me that I cannot understand any one statement from the book. So that reading of the book and teaching, the both things are very different. So in this case now, is what you find here, who won't tell me? I'm using you people that you can understand because you will be trader, okay, in the future.
The effort is greater than the result.
100% sure shot you want. Oh, he want 100% sure shot. So these are the sure shots 100% if you work on it. Okay. So here what you find is the bullish effort is greater than the bullish result.
Yes, sir.
Then you find the reversal. So this candle have half of the body, but volume is very near to this candle. It what shows? It what shows? It shows anomaly. Anomaly is the sign that market will reverse. So today, four concept is very, I think, enough for today because these are the confusing concepts. So you must practice on these concepts. But the no supply bar and demand bar are very easy. Okay, no supply bar, no demand bar are very easy. Today you just bullish effort, bearish effort, and bearish effort. Bear, comparing these four topics, it's your work now. Tomorrow again send me pictures. I will talk on the pictures. Then you will be clear. Okay? Minimum.
So, sir,
Yes.
I went for namaz. So, SNR concept is passed away.
No. It's still, I did not share. Tomorrow I will share with you people. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So these two concept or four concept is enough for today. Okay? You go for the part and find out these things.
Okay, sir.
So yes, I will give you 110% sure shot. No problem. Okay, I'm here. I'm not going. Okay, we'll give you 110% sure shot.
So,
Not 100%. 100% is not good. 110% is good. Okay.
so
Yes.
when will we get the book? Huh? You get the book? Bind the book.
No. Yes, I'm writing the book. Okay. Maybe in the 2 days I will complete the book. This book I will complete in the 2 days maybe. Okay. There are some concepts. These concepts all will clear in the book. Then I will share with members. Okay. Still I'm working on it because each and every slide taking time 1 hour minimum because all the setting you see that it's not easy. Okay. So these are the things I have limited time. Only I can give to the book to the 2 hours daily. Okay. Only 2 hours I can consume on the book.
Sir, these concepts are also working on stock markets.
Everywhere. These are the universal concepts. Okay. When I talk any concept, these all the concepts are universal. You can apply on the 1 minute, you can apply on the 1 day, you can apply on the 1 month chart. Okay. All the concepts are
Okay.
same concept. Okay. So now I hope that you people understand these things. If you understand these four topics today, then don't forget the previous concepts. Okay. Those concepts are very important. It means when you trade in the market, how many strategies in mind you have? These 18 strategies plus all the PA concepts. It means in your mind you have more than 50 concepts to trade in the market. So all the concepts you must practice, then you will be memorized on this on the decision time. Okay. So these are the concept when you trading you must memorize in your mind. Okay. Okay. Just
Okay, sir.
is not important. Applying is very important. Applying in the market. So how you can uh, find these setups? Go in the chart. You will find there is the upward movement, it means the bullish setup you will find, the bullish weakness setup you will find in the uptrend. That is a downtrend. The bearish weakness setup you will find in the downtrend. Okay, then found, and then send me pictures, and I will uh, check it, and I will review in front of you. And tomorrow we will this concept, this and this and this. Then tomorrow VSA study will complete. Okay, so maybe tomorrow is second last class. Okay, so tomorrow maybe is second last class, and on the third last class I will share the strategies, how to make the strategies from these concepts, and how we can apply in the market. And if you have any question from VSA, from PA, you will ask on the day after tomorrow. You write down all the queries you still not understand from the price action, from the VSA. Today you have a time, and write all the queries, and day after tomorrow you all people can ask me all the queries, and I will talk on the strategies, and day after tomorrow will be our last class. Then I will leave you for the 15 days practice. After practice, one session I will give you more. Then again I will clear your all the queries. Okay, so that is all. So go for the practice and write down the queries. Which concept still you don't understand, I will clear all the concepts. Okay, brothers. So now I'm going to finish. I have another session now. And okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.